Is there any advice you would give to future interns?
I think the big thing in my 2 summers here is that the 10 weeks really do fly by. Take advantage of the time that you're here and the resources you have access to, whether that's chatting with the early talent team, meeting your co-interns, reaching out to people for coffee chats and kind of getting to know what their roles are, really engaging with your project and your work and pushing yourself in a technical way.
I think I learned so much more just by talking to different people from different departments. I really got to have a better overview of how MongoDB works as a whole and appreciate different aspects of my work more, how to find balance in your work and life, as well as how to set goals for your future development.
I think in an internship, it might be easy for you to feel like you're here to prove yourself, but you also have to remember that you're here to learn about the different things that you can do with your career and learn technical knowledge. So choose the things that seem challenging. Choose the things that you're like, wait, actually, I'm not sure if I can do this. So I'm going to try, take a stab at it, and learn a lot along the way.